AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani and we've got some exciting stories to dive into today. So let's get started. First up, PM Modi bets big on AI, calls it India's future. Prime Minister Narendra Modi believes artificial intelligence will be a game changer for India, creating millions of jobs and boosting the economy by several lakh crore rupees. Speaking at a post-budget webinar, he announced rupees 500 crore for AI-driven education and a national large language model to strengthen India's AI capabilities. He also revealed a rupees 1 lakh crore fund to support deep tech startups and research, along with 10,000 research fellowships at IITs and ISCs. Additionally, the Gyan Bharatam mission will digitalize over 1 crore manuscripts to preserve India's rich heritage, while a national gene bank will secure plant genetic resources for food security. PM Modi proudly highlighted India's 66% economic growth between 2015 to 2025, calling it a major milestone towards becoming a $5 trillion economy. With a strong push for innovation, he urged India's businesses to lead the AI revolution, making India a global powerhouse in technology. Now, AI changing Indian call center accent sparks debate. A new AI tool is now neutralizing Indian call center accents to make them more understandable for Western customers. French company Teleperformance, which employs 90,000 people in India, is using AI software from US startup Sanus to modify voices in real time. The AI also removes background noise, making conversations more clearer. While the company claims this will improve customer interaction and reduce accent discrimination, the move has sparked debate. Many social media users argued that accents add authenticity and cultural identity, while others believe clearer communication is the key. Some are concerned this could lead to job losses as AI takes over more roles. Despite the controversy, Teleperformance insists no data is stored and emphasizes that human connection and empathy remain essential. Now, WhatsApp's AI now creates group icons and enhances voice inputs. WhatsApp is making group chats more exciting with the new AI-powered feature that creates custom profile pictures. Instead of searching for a perfect image, users can now describe what they want and AI will generate a new item. This is great for themed groups like tech, gaming or fantasy. According to reports, the feature is rolling out to more users beyond beta testers, but that's not all. WhatsApp is also improving its AI interface, making it easier to use. A major update will now allow Meta AI to start listening automatically when opened from Chats tab, eliminating the need to tap the microphone manually. iPhone users will also see a privacy indicator when Meta AI is listening, ensuring transparency. With these updates, WhatsApp is making AI-powered communication smoother and more intuitive. As AI continues to evolve, expect more smart features that make chatting easier and more fun. Now, before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top of all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancements to hottest startups changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content, so stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Now, Ola Krutrim building AI's first homegrown AI cloud. Ola Krutrim, the AI arm of Ola, is working on something big, a homegrown AI cloud system designed specifically for India. At Lenovo Tech World 2025, Group CIO Navendu Agarwal explained that India is currently relying on foreign cloud providers, but Ola wants to change that. Their plan: build India's own AI supercomputer and chips, creating a self-sufficient tech ecosystem. This cloud will first support Ola Krutrim's AI application for customer service, manufacturing and startups. With only 1% of India's GDP going into software, Agarwal believes that this initiative will boost India's infrastructure and reduce dependence on Western tech giants. By developing a full-stack AI ecosystem, Ola aims to provide powerful, cost-effective AI solution for Indian businesses. Now, Google turns search into AI-powered chatbot with AI mode. Google Search is getting a massive AI upgrade. The company is testing a new AI mode which works like an advanced chatbot, giving users AI-generated answers instead of regular search results. Currently available for Google One AI Premium subscribers, this feature allows users to ask detailed questions and get direct, well-researched responses. Powered by Google's Gemini 2.0, AI mode can handle complex topics like coding and advanced math. Google is also expanding AI overviews, making them available to users even if they aren't logged in. While Google aims to show AI responses for more searches, traditional web results will still appear if AI isn't confident enough. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.